Alright guys, this one happened today is at Borehamwood, and we're coming up to a mini roundabout, and then you're going to see that the mini roundabout is really blind on the right hand side. There's a fence blocking the view, and you're going to see that now in a second. There you go, highlighted. You cannot see anything, so you need to slow down, and the student goes straight through it. And that's all it was. So I was telling someone else today what happened, and they were like, oh, that's a bit harsh, but that actual roundabout, the site is completely blocked because of the fence. So as you come up to it, you need to literally almost stop. So as you're coming up, you should be really slow, really checking into that road and then going. So it's because also the student went through without sort of looking into the road as well. So it's a combination of both. Yeah, you can't do blind junctions that quick. You can see the speed now is still 20, and I'm highlighting the fence there. It's now 22, 21. We're still 20, so we haven't really slowed down enough at all. If you come down to at least 10 or less or whatever, but that speed wasn't good enough really. So yeah, that was all it was. It's a real shame. It's a fantastic drive. Student did so well, and it's such a shame that it's just that error. It's a very common place to fail in Borehamwood, but it's just any blind junction, anywhere you go, you should stop. Okay, hope that helps. Hope you guys find some benefit from these videos, and hopefully you won't make these same errors. It doesn't matter which area, which test center, but the general rule will apply is if it's a blind junction, you need to really slow it down, most likely have to stop, etc. So hope this helps, and all the best with your test.